Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on progress of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're following us on Rumble, please give us a follow and give us a thumbs up. Well, it looks like the raspberry bush is done. I don't see any berries this morning. And meanwhile, this fella up here just screaming. You see, there's a cat nearby. He was climbing along the tops of the fences and scared the hell out of a poor little squirrel. Well, look at that. I guess that was the size of the pepper then, eh? You know, that you started to discolor? That was it? Look. Seriously? What a ridiculous pepper plant. I got that one little pepper. Don't even know what the hell it is. Well, that's not impressive. I mean, I know it's in a bad spot, but I put them along the fence here so that they get shade on and off. Because they're just pots. They dry out too fast in this summer heat. Well, so much for that pepper. Ooh, all our tomatoes. And our pepper plants. Oh, let's look at our some nice zucchini flowering going on. All right. It's going to be another hot one today. Another beautiful hot day, low 30s. It's got up to like 34 yesterday. But the amount of smoke that's been up in the air from the wildfires, the sun may feel very hot, but there's not that much sun radiation coming through the sky. But the skies are clear today, so I guess it'll be hotter. Oh, look. That's got knocked off the top of the post by the critters running back and forth. I'll have to put that up later. Okay. Well, our in-ground potatoes continue to do really well, and of course, we'll have to dig up some more today. Just been slowly digging them up and eating them. Going after the browned out plants. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants really bad. 6 ones on the way. Need to dig those up. Had some beans yesterday for supper too. Right, our bush beans back here, doing really well. And then these pitiful pole beans. I'll have to grow them in a different box next year. If I grow a garden next year. Our onions. Now, all the dill, the seeds are getting pretty close to harvest. Are they coming off yet? No, not falling off yet. Some of them are ready. Some of them are not. I'll just walk by with a big bowl, grab the tops, shake them in. And I still have a lot of seeds from last year. I want to start shaking these into the ground so I can get some more dill growing before the end of the summer. And oh, look, I thought you guys were done. No, you're still around, still eating my basil. Disgusting. Well, the zucchinis are doing really well. Oh, look, another zucchini plant here. Let's hope you got pollinated. You probably did. With all the activity I'm seeing around here this morning. Have any other new ones to grab this morning? No? Didn't get surprised yesterday with any new zucchinis. I mean surprised. I mean by zucchinis that I missed. Okay, there's one there. Wow. Okay. Well, I mean, really, I guess the only other way to really remember where the zucchinis are would be to get some long, skinny rods with the red tip. And just poke them in the ground nearby. Have it stick out of the foliage. So I would know where to look next once I spot them on the regular inspections of the garden. Well, some of these leaves are coming to their end. Just a massive. Remember we used to grab a leaf or a flower and we would press it in a book. You need a really big book to press this flower. I mean, this leaf. Well, we haven't seen any new green zucchinis that I caught in time, I should say, because I harvested one yesterday. They got away from me. Cut it up, threw it in the compost pile. Had some barbecued zucchini yesterday too. Yeah, like that big one right there. That's supposed to be a zucchini. But, you know, wasn't quite sure. Was thinking, frame of mind, it was only 2 zucchini plants in this entire squash bed that accidentally got in, and turns out it's more than that. Well, I look at some more. Well, just gonna keep enjoying these hot days as the garden grows. Oh, look. So, that's a zucchini. Same as the ones I've been growing in my zucchini patch, along with this one here. That's a zucchini too. I know, because I snapped one off up here yesterday. That's that same vine that grew that one. Okay, well, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch and his multi-flowers. And maybe the main flowers start to give us some seeds. Well, we're still flowering wonderfully from this plant. Our wonderful lavender. Well, still a healthy looking plant. That's good. And our sunflower. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Okay. Any new zucchinis? Oh, yeah, we do. Yeah, baby. Okay. Oh, tiny seeds. It's doing well. Now, this poor little bugger, floppy leaves and all at times, he's struggling to get enough water with this new root system that we tried by burying the stem in soil. And it's going to be a hot one today, so I'm just going to give him a little bit of water this morning. turn that on. And our morning glories. All right, if you have hung out till the end, really appreciate it. And we will see you tomorrow. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.